Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I make coding tutorials, projects and tech tips to help you become a better developer, one project at a time. Today, we're diving into something super practical and beginner-friendly, a Java calculator app using Swing. Whether you're a student working on a Java assignment or someone brushing up on GUI programming, this project is perfect for you. Not only does it reinforce core Java skills like object-oriented programming and event handling, but it also introduces you to building graphical user interfaces, which are essential for desktop applications. Studio Microfo. Here's a quick look at what we're building: a desktop calculator with a clean interface, responsive buttons, and real-time display updates. This app is built using Java Swing, a powerful library for building graphical interfaces in Java. Whether you're preparing for a school project or just brushing up on Java skills, this tutorial has something for you. We'll create a new Java class called Calculator. We extend JFrame to build our main application window. We'll set properties like the window size, layout manager, default close operation, and make sure everything is nicely centered on the screen. Our calculator needs a display, so we'll add a JText field at the top of the window. This will act as our screen where the user input and results are shown. We'll make the font large and bold for readability and right-align the text for that classic calculator feel. It's time to add the number and function buttons. We'll use J button for each digit from 0 to 9, as well as buttons for operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Don't forget the equals, decimal point, clear, and delete buttons. To keep things organized, we'll use a JPanel with a grid layout. This gives us a neat grid to place all our buttons just like on a real calculator. It also helps make the layout responsive and evenly spaced. Adding the buttons is just the start. We'll also wire them up using action listeners so that when a button is clicked, it updates the display or performs a calculation. We'll override the actionPerformed method and check which button was pressed using e.getSource. When an operator is pressed, we save the first number and the operator. Then when equals is clicked, we grab the second number, perform the calculation, and display the result in the text field. This step involves parsing strings to doubles and handling arithmetic logic. To improve user experience, we'll also add a clear button that resets everything and a delete button that removes the last character typed. It makes the calculator more forgiving for real use. We'll wrap things up by testing everything. Try a few combinations, 23 plus 15, or 50 divided by 5, and you'll see how seamlessly the calculator handles the logic and displays accurate results. We've also added checks to prevent things like divide by zero errors and input mishandling. This project is a great introduction to event-driven programming. Once you understand how the GUI and logic are separated, you can expand this calculator into something even bigger, add a history panel, or implement scientific operations like square root and exponents. And there you have it, a complete, fully functional Java calculator using Swing. You've learned how to build a GUI, create responsive buttons, and handle user input, all while building a real-world app. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future projects. And if you have questions or want to see a scientific version of this calculator, drop a comment below. Studio Microphone, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep coding.